All right, Stephen, here's your 427 small block Ford. Keys the description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the front sump wall pan. The vintage air front end on it. Pro-am manifold. Holley throttle body. Holley Terminator X. Great system. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,700 is 457 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 525. Peaks horsepower 564. Rate of 575. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure everything's good and clean for you. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. Got your engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need something from us, the easiest way to look you up, flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.